How to share Instagram Reels story. Now, the very first thing to do if we want to share an Instagram Reels of others to our story is to tap on this section right here and go to this airplane button right here. Now, once we're here, all we have to do is to scroll right here and tap on Add to Story. Now, once it's here, we can edit this to our liking. We can add text to it and express how we feel about this reel that we have shared to our story. We can add stickers and add music or song that will make us resonate with the story that we have shared. You can also resize the reel that you have shared on your Instagram story. Like this one, you can enlarge it, zoom it in. And after that, once you're done editing, all you have to do is to tap on this button right here. So let's say I share this to my story, tap on done, and wait for it to load. So that's how to share Instagram Reels to story. Hope we help.